Have you ever heard someone say, just reset your iPhone, that will fix it? And you immediately think, wait, if I reset my phone, will I lose everything? Your photos, your messages, your apps, your contacts. Well, today I want to clear up the confusion because the word reset actually means several different things on the iPhone. And some of them are completely safe while others erase everything. So in this video, I'll explain what happens when you restart your iPhone, what happens when you reset certain settings, and what happens when you factory reset the entire phone. And I'll show you exactly where these options are located on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first type of reset is simply restarting your iPhone. This is just turning your phone off and back on again. And it's actually one of the best troubleshooting tricks you can use. When you restart your iPhone, all the apps close, temporary glitches get cleared, background tasks stop running, and the system starts fresh again. Think of it like rebooting your computer. And here's the important part. Restarting your iPhone does not delete your photos, apps, contacts, or messages. The worst thing that might disappear is something like an unsent message or something you didn't save yet. So how do you restart your iPhone? It's pretty simple. What you want to do is press and hold the side button, and that's also known as the power button, and then the volume up button at the same time. And when you do, you'll see a message pop up and the slider will say slide to power off. You also have a couple of other messages where you can trigger an emergency call. Once you press and slide that button, you'll wait till the phone, turns completely off. Then press and hold only the side button until you see the white Apple logo appear and your iPhone will restart. Once that happens, your iPhone will come back to your home screen where you'll have to enter your passcode to get in. I recommend doing this maybe once every week or two to keep your iPhone running smoothly. Sometimes your iPhone may freeze or stop responding. In that case, you may need something called a forced restart. Again, this does not erase anything. It simply forces your iPhone to reboot. And here's how you do it. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. So this is what it looks like. Quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, push and hold on the side button. And you're going to push and hold on that until the white Apple logo appears, the phone goes dark. And then this will fix many problems. Things like a frozen screen, apps that won't open, a touch screen that stops responding. It's a very handy trick to know. Once the phone is completely rebooted, it brings you back to your lock screen. Swipe up, enter your passcode, and you're back on the home screen. Now let's talk about the next type of reset, which is resetting certain settings on your iPhone. These options do not delete your personal data, but they can fix certain problems. Here's where to locate them. So we're going to open up the Settings app. We're going to tap on General. We're going to scroll to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. All of a sudden, you'll see a bunch of options that are available. And let's take a look at two important options. The first option that we're going to look at is the Reset Network Settings option. This option resets things like Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, cellular settings, but it does not delete your photos, apps, or contacts. However, it will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to your network afterwards. But this option can help fix things like Wi-Fi not connecting, any Bluetooth problems you have, or even cellular signal issues. So if I tap on the Reset Networks option, I'm going to have to enter my passcode, and then it's going to give me the option to go ahead and reset the network settings. If you're having Wi-Fi issues, Bluetooth issues, or cellular signal issues, give this option a try. It may fix them. Let's also take a look at Reset All settings. This resets things like your display settings, privacy settings, location settings, and Apple Pay settings. But your photos, apps, messages, and contacts all stay safe on your phone. So this is still a safe reset. You may need to re-enter things like your Apple Pay and set up your privacy settings again. But if you're having trouble with your iPhone, this is a reset that's worth it because it doesn't delete your data or media. Now let's talk about the reset that most people fear and are worried about. This is called a factory reset. On your iPhone, it's labeled Erase All Content and Settings. When you choose this option, your iPhone returns to the same condition it was when you first bought it. That means it deletes photos, messages, apps, contacts, all of your settings, everything. So you should only do this if you have a backup available. When people typically do this, it's because maybe they're selling their iPhone or they're really having a difficult time with their iPhone. It will fix a serious software problem, or they're giving the iPhone to someone else, or they want to start with a brand new, fresh iPhone. So to factory reset your iPhone, if you ever need to do this, you go ahead and you open the Settings app, you tap General, you scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset, and then you're going to choose Erase All Content and Settings. Once I click on that, it'll ask me some things here about what I want to erase. So I can go ahead and tap on Continue, and I think it's going to prompt me again to erase the iPhone. If you're not sure about it, don't do it, but I want to remind you that if you are going to do a factory reset, make sure that you back up your iPhone first. So let's talk about that backup. Before doing any major reset, it's always a good idea to back up your phone. And here's the easiest way to do it. We're going to go ahead and open up the Settings app. We're going to tap our name at the top. Once we do that, we're going to tap on iCloud. We're going to scroll down and you're going to see an option for iCloud Backup. Go ahead and tap on that. And you'll see that my last successful backup was at 216, so it'll let you know when you last backed up your iPhone, and then you would just go ahead and tap Backup Now. And this will save your photos, your messages, your contacts, and your apps, so everything you need can be restored. So let's quickly recap. When someone says reset your iPhone, it could mean 3 different things. It could mean restart iPhone safe, nothing is deleted. Reset settings, only certain settings change. Or a factory reset, everything is erased and the phone starts brand new. So now you'll know exactly what someone means before tapping that reset button. If you found this video helpful and you enjoy simple iPhone tips designed specifically for seniors, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.